Hello and welcome. Today I will be demonstrating you the project Algorand auction, which we have made in EVM, Ethereum virtual environment, with statically typed programming language Solidity. So I will be showing you the implementation, so as to how the code works. First, I will compile this. As you can see here, it has compilation is successful. So I will select an address, and through that I will deploy my project. So basically, this address is the owner. So the primary condition is for the auction that owner can't place a bid exactly. So we will test what is the result for if we try to place a bid through the address of the owner. So I will select ether here, and for example, if we take 5 ethereums, and if we try to place a bid, and as expected, there will be an error. Owner cannot bid. So we will then go to another address and then place a bid for example, let's say 6 ethereums, and we'll place a bid. So as you can see, the bid has been successfully placed. So coming to the next point, we have auction here. As you can see, the address here is showing the owner's address, this one. And coming to the next point, start time block. The start time block is 0 and the end time block is 240, that is set default by us. 240 means 60 minutes, that is 1 hour. Since one block contains 15 seconds, so 240 blocks is derived from there. The default bid increment is 1, so here it is showing 1. And for the bids section, this user of this address has placed a bid of 6 ethereums, right? So we'll copy this address and then paste it here and then execute the button. So here it is showing that this user has used 6 ethereums for placing a bid, and the highest bidder here is this address, exact same one, since only one user has placed a bid. So we'll try with next one. So let's say we take this address, then for example, if we pay less, for example 3 ethereums, then place a bid. So here if we see, highest bidder is still the same with 6 ethereums, and here comes the auction state. So if I click to the auction state, it is showing 1, which is corresponding to this started, running, ended and cancelled. So accordingly, if the result here is 0, so the state is started, and if the result here is 1, the state is running, so it is now. And if the result here is ended, if the result here is 2, the state is ended, and if the result here is 3, the state is cancelled. So what if we end the auction? For example, if we try to end the auction, it won't do because the owner can only end the auction, right? So we will select the owner and then try again to end the auction, and successfully we have ended the auction. And now coming to the auction state, it is showing 2, that is ended, right? And for finalizing the auction, the finalize auction button enables all the transaction of the highest bid to the account of the owner. If we click here, see, and the thank you.